So RallySafe installation on the RS4. We're reusing the whole of the stock antenna. So here we can just get the wires through the existing hole, just put some sealant, put a new washer and a larger washer and the nut, and we'll be able to route the wires inside the cage. The Wi-Fi antenna is probably gonna come somewhere here, actually very close to the other one inside the car, and we'll route the wires with the rest of the harness. In terms of power, so there is a yellow lead from RallySafe. So on the red wire I did an inline fuse with a 5 amp fuse for the direct power that will be connected directly to the positive of the battery. The black one will be connected directly to the negative of the battery, and the 3 remaining wires, they are just cut in a staggered fashion like this so that they don't touch each other. They are not used, but I'm gonna put shrink wrap around them and leave them like this. So here is a completed RallySafe installed with the wire going, the power wire going at the bottom here. Routed the wire from the battery here, following the cage here along the passenger. On the top here, the wire are under the cage, following the roof bar. Here at the front, we are following the roof bar and coming down here all the way to where the RallySafe unit is gonna be. And so the power wire here is routed inside here along the seat to the back. That's all there is to the RallySafe install in the RS4.